Hi friends, welcome to another video of Big Tech Talk. In today's video, we will set up local AI on our Mac operating system using LM Studio. So let's start the video. Why we want to do a local AI setup? So if I say you can use AI model with no API cost, no internet and nothing leaves your machine. That's the promise of running AI locally. We will do this local AI setup using LM Studio. So, what is LM Studio? LM Studio is a free desktop app that lets you download and run large language model on your computer. It works offline and uses your device hardware like CPU or GPU to run open source AI model. If you have watched my Ollama series, think of LM Studio as the GUI alternative. Same idea of running models locally but with a built-in model browser and many other features. So let's go ahead and install LM Studio. Open your browser and search for lmstudio.ai. It will take you to the official LM Studio page. Don't click on this download button. We have to scroll down and under products you will see download the app. Click on it. Now under download LM Studio, select your operating system and other details. These details are fine for me, so click on download LM Studio for Mac. Once it's downloaded, click on the package and drag it into your application folder. And that's it. LM Studio is installed. Now let's go to apps and open LM Studio. The interface is very similar to ChatGPT or Gemini. But unlike ChatGPT or Gemini, there are no models installed yet. So let's download a model. In the right sidebar, there is a model search option. It will open the model browser, where you can search and download models. Let's find something that runs easily on my Mac Mini with 16 GB of RAM. So I will go with Gemma 4 E4B model. It's an effective 4 billion parameter model and its size is roughly 6.86 GB. So let's download it. And this model supports image input, reasoning and tools calling. So we can use this model with VS Code also. Once the model is downloaded, go back to the chat and select your model from the drop down at the top. Now let's ask something. So I will ask write a Python function to read a file. And you can see it starts thinking. And here is your output. So we are able to set up LM Studio and run a local model on our system without any cost. So with this, I will wrap up today's video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Do hit the like button and subscribe for more such video. Thank you.